Hello viewers, welcome to CarView. According to Mahindra, this is the big daddy of all SUVs. Yes, we have the Scorpio N. In the next couple of minutes, we'll get to know whether we can call this giant four-wheel machine the big daddy of all SUVs. Let us look at the design of the car. Let me know your views in the comment. Coming to the dimensions of the car is very big and has a good road presence. Its length, width and height is more than its competitors like Tata Safari, Hyundai Alcazar and MG Hector. When compared to the old Scorpio, its length, width and wheelbase is more, but the height has been reduced by 146 mm. The detailed dimensions are here. However, the Kia Carens has a greater wheelbase than Scorpio N. In addition, its length is less than the Toyota Fortuner, but the width, height and wheelbase is slightly greater than Fortuner. The price starts at Rs 11.99 lakhs and goes up to 23.9 lakhs ex-showroom. The Scorpio N looks very aggressive from the front with the new Mahindra logo. The grille gets black finish on lower variants and chrome finish on the top variants. It seems the Sting Light LED DRL's idea has been extracted by Scorpion shape. And of course, you get dual barrel LED light setup with sequential turn indicators. We also get automatic headlights and automatic wipers. It has a huge 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheel with the tire profile 255/60 R18. For manual, Mahindra provides 17-inch wheels only. The car has a rear as well as front disc and has a ground clearance of 187 mm. This is the rear view mirror with turn indicator and there is no 360-degree camera. The roof rails are fully functional with high load bearing capacity. Do you think that from the rear, the Scorpio N resembles some cars? Write down your views about this in the comment section. You get a request sensor at the rear as well. This is how you open the boot, similar to the old Scorpio. Here we have very less boot space, so we'll just fold the seats. After folding the seats, we get a boot space of 786 liters. Here is a 12-volt charging socket placed in a weird, hardly accessible place. You get LED lights everywhere except the reverse lights. Here's the spare wheel, which is not an alloy. Mahindra Scorpio comes with 2-liter M Stallion petrol engine and 2.2-liter M Hawk diesel engine. The detailed power figures are here. Looking at the competitors, Scorpio N gets the most powerful engine in the segment and the off-roading capabilities of Scorpio N makes it an actual SUV. The road-tested mileage of Scorpio N petrol is 9 km per liter. The hood is very heavy with no hydraulic struts. This is the key with lock, unlock and boot open features. When we unlock the car, the DRLs blink thrice. If you keep the unlock button pressed, the windows roll down and the sunroof opens. It's also there in XUV 700. We get a side footrest to enter inside. I really like the cabin of the car. It looks very premium and pretty. Let's turn on the car. The car is turned on and the engine is so refined. The coffee brown treatment looks luxurious and the dashboard is exclusive. We get an electric steering with audio controls here and cruise control this side. Here we can control the instrument cluster, which has various options like navigation, settings, alert history, etc. The armrest is not adjustable. The center console could have been little better. And here is the switch for the sunroof. There is some space beneath the armrest and also some space for cup holders. Infotainment system is quite decent, supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can give voice commands also. Automatic climate control is supported with wireless charging, and the rear parking camera is average. Here we get a small cooled glove box with a light inside. It's decently white. This coffee brown treatment along with the silver finish and piano finish looks great on the door. The door third is quite good. We have enough space inside and we get captain seats. This is how we get into the third row. However, we couldn't lift this up. We had to call a third person to get this fixed. The seat is very uncomfortable for adults. However, it is good for children. There is no charging slot or AC vents or any other offering for the third row passengers. However, this window size is quite good. अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक पर क्लिक करें.
Share your opinion about this video in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel CarView.